Man in custody following death of common law wife. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A cane cutter is now in police custody after his common law wife was found dead from stab wounds to her neck at the couple's Dunbar home in Lewisville, St. Catherine on Monday night. Dead is Alicia Patience, a hairdresser. Patience is the mother of two boys. Her body was reportedly discovered face down on her bed. News of the murder sent shockwave throughout the quiet rural community of Dunbar. It is alleged that the accused used a knife to inflict deadly wounds during a domestic dispute. He was not present at the scene when the law enforcement officers arrived. However, he was taken into custody at the Shady Grove police station hours later. Link 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.